Hi friends, today I am going to review one of the best monitors around 11K. Today I am going to review this 22-inch LG monitor. LG 22MP68VQ IPS Cinematic. It comes with arc line stand. It looks coexistence of smoothness and solidness in the curved structure stand. In the bottom, you can look at the control key as joystick in white color. Size of this monitor is 22 inches, exactly 55.88 centimeter. You have to fit the stand like this in the bottom. Surface treatment of this monitor is anti-glare 3H. Panel type IPS Blade 1. You can see narrow bezels, slim design. The build quality of this monitor is very good. Let's remove this cover. You can see its backside, it's got glossy finish. Top and side panels are very clean and good looking. Its power adapter takes 100 to 240, 50 to 60 Hz, consumes 17.6 watts. Panel type is IPS Neo Blade 1 with color gamut 72%, color depth 16.7 million colors. Aspect ratio 16:9 with resolution 1920 into 1080 Full HD. Contrast ratio 1000:1. DFC Mega. GTG response time 5 milliseconds. You can get a great experience while gaming with the 5 milliseconds response time, but not that great. 2 milliseconds, 1.5 milliseconds is great experience while gaming. It's got surface treatment anti-glare 3H. You see only one control key here, power key included. It's in white when the screen is on mode, white blinking in power saving mode. You can move this joystick right to left in 4 directions and long pressing power on and off. Operating system display supports many languages including English, German, French, Hindi, Chinese, Japan, Portugal, etc. Special features of this monitor is you can change picture modes, custom to reader 1, reader 2, photo, cinema, game. You can also see reader mode in this monitor. This monitor comes as plug and play and intelligent auto adjustment, and also response time control, color weakness, flicker shape, automatic standby, 6-axis control, smart energy saving, super resolution plus, 4-screen split, on-screen control and other things. Also it has got back stabilizer which gives punchy feeling. You can feed this monitor with the different sources having D-sub, HDMI and DVI digital. HDMI video frequency you can see 56 to 75 Hz. It greatly enhances viewing experience while gaming. You can watch movies in this monitor at 1080p with great experience. With color depth, you can experience 16.7 million colors in this monitor. You can experience amazing picture quality in this monitor. You would definitely enjoy watching movies in this monitor. Its color depth and black stabilization, flicker free. You can expect better video quality with this IPS panel with great viewing angles. It has also got aux port 3.5mm jack, so you can also use this monitor as a TV or smart TV using streaming devices. Also, you can adjust volume level in monitor only. You can switch with the different speeds instantly with control key. I experienced very good video quality and audio quality in this monitor. I am very much satisfied what this monitor offers. One other advantage of this monitor is you can also use this as TV while you are not working with the computer. This gives the flexibility while we are enjoying entertainment with work. That's it in this video. If you like this video, like it and please subscribe. Thank you.